Welcome to another episode of Master Cutz. I'm Cy, owner of Primetime Cutz Barbershop. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a fade on the side, curls on top with a simple design in the back. Let's get it. I'm going to use my 3-guard and I'm going to start at the bottom of his neck. When I get to the line that I want to create, I'm flicking up. Now I'm putting on my 3/4 blade and I'm going to go around the hair, taking out my previous guideline. Now with my master clippers, I want to make sure that I spray it down, and what I'm going to start with is my 3/4 guard. I'm bringing the hair to the highest point that I'm going to bring it to. Now I'm going to switch it with the 1/2 blade and go right underneath what I was just cutting. As you see with that weight line, this 1.5 blade will take that out. Now with these two blades, the 1/16 guard and the 1/8 guard, I'm going to use to fade out his taper. I'm going to start with the 1/8 blade going higher, and I will use the 1/16 to go underneath that. This technique allows me to keep the fade low. And now I'm going to use my Andis wireless trimmers. And now I'm going to make lines on the side of his head, starting with the bottom one. And now I'm turning the blade upside down to get a cleaner cut. So now going with the grain, I'm trimming his baby hairs. Now I'm starting at the front of the hairline, matching it from side to side. I put the shave gel on so that the blade cuts smoother. With the razor, I'm defining the design. I'm wetting the hair so that when I use the scissors, it makes cutting the hair easier. This is the scissor over comb technique. The comb is used as a guide. Thank you for watching another episode of Master Cutz. This is how I do a curly fade with a design. Hope you liked it. Press that like button, subscribe, and comment.